the matter? Is this the right room?
It's the Louis 15. I don't know. What's
Let me try
the
it.
problem? There we go. There. Oh, what a lovely room.
Not too shabby, huh?
Oh, hello. It's so nice to see you here.
It's lovely to have you here.
Oh, well, thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh,
I
my.
don't even have a bra.
Oh, you don't, huh? Well, where is everybody? Let me see if I can find everybody. What's this room here? Is this...
I know.
Oh.
I know. And then
Ooh.
I was like,
What?
yes.
What is this?
And like, what?
Who is
a
that?
bitch.
Wait.
What?
Wait, who...
I
Hello?
know. And
Hello?
then I was like,
Hey, Andrea. Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
so, I know. And I was like, yeah, so what was hurting you?
Jeez.
Yes, I am with you. Oh, yes. Now we have the Regency 4000 water closet. Please note an original Van Gogh, followed by an original Degas. Yes. Let us continue forward into the south corridor. First, the metallic battery. Yes. So we will. Into the corridor, noting the artwork displayed proudly. Yes, many scenes of France. Yes. I remember this monument when I was in France. Continuing on, further, deeper into the corridor. Coming into the south sleeping quarters. We have, what do we have here? Sleeping. Yes. We have a log saw. I do indeed. Checking out the quarters. Very nice. Going now into the water closet. The closet of water.
Oh, hello. Oh, please, come on in. Come on in. Let me welcome you to the goose tub.
Please, note the goose detalia.
Oh, the goose detalia. It's really quite marvelous. Such detail. All about more gooses. I believe they might be called geese. Yes. Hello, Las Vegas. Such finery. Ladies to hold our lamps, and hello, Van Gogh, and the bidet. What lovely furnishings. And then out here we have.
I was like, you tell
What is
him
this?
to fucking call me
Oh.
later. Let me
Yes,
speak.
another Van Gogh.
Let me speak to your fucking manager. Do you? Excuse me.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
And let me, a supervisor at least.
Good.
Please put on the phone at once.
Oh, it seems that we have our meditation room here. Well, hello, Kimberly. I hope I didn't disturb you.
It is so hard to get any peace and quiet around here.
It's because we're so cramped in these quarters.
What am I supposed to do? I can't live like this.
Here, let me help you.
Help me.
Come now,
You
come
make
now.
thinking so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. I'm just gonna stop here. I just need to print. Just need to take some time. Okay. All right. Vegas. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, Vegas. Here I come. Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas. This is lovely.
Oh, hello. Ooh, fuzzy wallpaper. That is some really nice feeling wallpaper. What's down this way? Let's see. Let's see what, oh, yet another bedroom. What? Who's asleep? Huh? Kimberly.
Oh
Good
my
morning.
God. What time is it?
It's time to go.
Oh my God. Las Vegas. I'm ready. Where are we going?
We are going out, girl. We are going out.
I'm so ready.
You get on your party shoes.
Oh my God, I feel so alive. Okay.
Feeling alive. Oh, what? Oh. Well, hello. Quite a recliner. All right. What's going on in here? Another bidet?
Ma, I said for the 4th time the funeral was yesterday.
Oh, Jesus.
Ma!
Sorry. We'll leave you alone. Okay, I'm sorry. We'll leave you alone.
Ma, I said.
And what do we have? Oh, another bathroom? Are you kidding me? Another bathroom? How is this even possible? There have to be like 18 bathrooms in this. Oh, hello. Oh, I hope I'm not disturbing your yoga practice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, there we. I will leave you to it. What's behind this door?
I know.
Another bathroom.
Ma, I'm good, Ma. Yeah,
Sorry.
let's just. I know.
My God. Another formal sitting room? This is just too much. Too much, I say. Oh. Oh, hello, Las Vegas. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my. Oh, hello. Hello. Hello there. It's nice seeing you here. What's all that sound I hear? Is it in the... Oh, not in the steak kitchen. No. Nope, it's not coming from here. Oh. What? What is this? What? Oh, wait. It's not. Where? Oh, hello.
Whatever you do.
Don't push the brakes on me. On the back again. But it's just don't be the same. Gotta blame it on something. Blame it on the rain. Yeah. Blame it on the stars. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on